Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. Today I'm trying out from the brand Estate Cosmetics the Do Me Baked Highlighter that I have here in the shade Exposed. And I'm really excited about this. I love the brand Estate. I have tried out a lot of Estate products and they are so good. They're cruelty-free and vegan, which I love. They're also relatively affordable. So this highlighter retails for $10 and it does come in a bunch of different shades. I thought that this looked like a really pretty pink tone, so I didn't put blush on yet. I wanted to see if this could also work as a blush. But they have more like those champagne shades. They have a blue shade, but I'm really intrigued by what this pink one is gonna look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with a swatch. Ooh. Ooh, that is actually such a beautiful blush shade. And it has really beautiful glow. It's like got glow sheen, not sparkle sheen. And I definitely prefer this type of glow sheen in my highlighters. One disclaimer that I do want to say is that this product was sent to me for free from Estate Cosmetics. This is not a sponsored video, but I just really was so excited to try this out. And I do have a discount code with Estate Cosmetics. To get 10% off your purchase, use the code Christy_Bergman10 off. And I'll have this linked in the description down below and I'll have my code. But I definitely feel like from this swatch, it has a little bit too much pigment of pink to be like my typical highlighter. So I'm excited to try it out as a blush. I love a glowy blush because then you can kind of skip your highlighter if you have the sheen already in your blush. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick some up on a fluffy brush. And it is baked, so it has that like harder texture. So you kind of might have to break through the top layer to then pick up more. I see like now I'm picking up some more. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love this. I do have a little bit on my finger now, so I kind of want to see how this looks on the eye. Ooh, that is beautiful. You can make it pretty intensely pigmented or you can blend it out. I love this. I love that sheen. So then you can kind of get like that monochrome moment if you wear this on the cheeks and the eyes. You could probably even put some on your lip gloss too. But I am gonna build up a little bit more because I like to have a lot of rosiness to my cheeks. Gosh, this looks so good on the skin and on top of my makeup. Like it looks so smooth. Even though it is a baked powder, like it doesn't leave dry powderiness. It actually looks so glowy on the skin, so it gives the opposite effect of looking dry. But oh my gosh, that's so pretty. And it's not too crazy glowy that it doesn't work as a blush as well. I love this. This will be like a new go-to blush for me, especially when I'm skipping the highlighter step because I love glowy skin like this. Yeah, so I've layered on quite a bit and I feel like this is exactly the amount of blush pigment that I like to get. And it's a really pretty rosy flush color. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the other side. So you can see the difference of just one layer versus it built up. I love that it's buildable. I like to go across my nose a little bit too. That just gives so much life to the skin. So much glow and a perfect flush of color. And for $10, you're getting that 2-in-1 or even 3-in-1 because this is also a really pretty eyeshadow as well. Just for the fun of it, go ahead and apply it to my other eye. And I actually really like the look of this blended out to to be like a nice subtle one color wash over the lids. Like that looks so pretty how it coordinates with the blush. I love this. Looks nice and smooth. I do have some gloss on right now, but I'm just gonna go for it. I'm just gonna apply this to my lips as well. Stop it. Oh my gosh, I am so glad I tried that because that looks so good. On top of, I have like a nude lip gloss on right now. And this just looks so good. It gives that little ombre effect to kind of lighten up the lip in the center. Oh my gosh, this product is so fun. Seriously, wherever you apply it, it's beautiful. It's like a perfect formula for the lips, for the eyes, and the cheeks. So I absolutely love this shade called Exposed, and I might have actually tried out one of their champagne shades before as well, but I love this formula. I seriously want this in all of the shades. It's so beautiful. So I really want to know in the comments down below, especially if you have tried this out in any of the other shades, what your thoughts are, which shades are your favorites. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.